Hello, my name is May and I'm second year pharmacy student at University of Huddersfield. When I first arrived in the UK as an international student, I was excited but also very nervous about starting a new chapter in my life. And also, I was only 17 years old, so this is me back in 2024. Anyway, looking back now, one of the best part of my student life has been how much I have grown, both academically and personally. Studying pharmacy has given me the opportunity to learn, challenge myself, and walk towards my future career as a pharmacist. Beyond my studies, I've also had an amazing opportunity to work as a student support worker at University of Huddersfield and continuing doing representing the international study centers as the alumni ambassador.